Looking for the best body camera in 2024? Whether you're a law enforcement officer, security guard, or just want peace of mind, this video has you covered. We'll break down the top contenders, comparing features, battery life, and video quality to find the perfect fit for your needs. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Rexing P1 Body-Worn Camera. The Rexing P1 is a top choice for those working in low-light conditions, featuring built-in infrared illumination that can light subjects up to 15 m away at night. While the siren and flashing lights may seem unconventional, they serve as a useful panic button in challenging environments. With a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery charged via USB and weather-sealed connections, it boasts an IP67 waterproof rating. The option to expand memory via a microSD card complements its ruggedized casing, ensuring durability even in harsh conditions. The rear LCD provides essential information such as remaining battery life and recording time, along with in-field playback functionality. Plus, with no Wi-Fi connectivity, security concerns are minimized, offering peace of mind. Number 2. Transcend DrivePro Body 30. While not the most budget-friendly option, this Transcend camera offers robust construction designed for outdoor use, with an IP67 rating and compliance with rigorous U.S. military drop test standards, MIL STD 810G 516.6. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, a wide 130-degree field of view, and the ability to capture snapshots while recording video, it meets essential requirements. It features full HD video capture, a fixed aperture 2.0 mm lens, a built-in mic, and up to 12 hours of battery life, along with 64 GB internal memory to start with. For nighttime use, 4 IR LEDs enable recording in low-light conditions. The one-touch operation is convenient, although the loud activation sound and recording light might not be ideal for discreet filming. Number 3. Boblov A22. One significant issue with body cameras is that the lens often faces wherever your clothing dictates. This device tackles that problem with a rotating lens mounted on a simple friction mount. This allows you to redirect the camera and discreetly place it in various locations, such as on top of a fridge. Despite its compact size, the camera includes a color screen for menus and playback, although viewing via USB on a computer is recommended. We appreciated the physical sliding switch for starting video capture. Additionally, there are 4 IR LEDs for night use, and it offers the option of a pocket clip included or screw mount. Number 4. Ehomful Mini 1080p Body Camera. When it comes to personal security or discreet recording, this compact body camera takes the lead. It's lightweight and small, offering versatility with its included clip or pendant-style neck-wearing option. Its standout feature is full HD video up to 30 fps, utilizing the supplied 32 GB card or an optional 64 GB microSD card. However, due to its small size, battery life is limited, lasting around 180 minutes from a full charge. A convenient built-in USB port allows direct connection to a laptop or PC for transferring footage, adding to its simplicity and ease of use. If discreet recording is your goal, this device is a reliable choice. Number 5. Insta360 Go 2. The Insta360 Go 2 isn't your typical long-lasting security device. It's designed for creativity and fun. This tiny camera can be clipped to your clothing, worn as a pendant, mounted on your desk, or attached to a car dashboard, offering endless versatility for unique point-of-view shots. Despite its small size, the Insta360 Go 2 packs impressive features like image stabilization and horizon lock, enhancing its usability. While it's not a professional security body camera, it serves as a compact and clever option for everyday users looking to capture memorable moments with ease. So, which body camera reigns supreme? The winner is the Rexing P1 Body-Worn Camera. It boasts exceptional video quality, long battery life, and a rugged design, making it ideal for demanding situations. But don't forget, the best choice depends on your needs. Check the video description for details on all the cameras.